So today, I'm going to show you how I design logos using AI and the exact process I use for real clients. We're going to make a logo from scratch, refine it step by step, improve the prompt, and end it with something that looks like a 5,000 brand. And I will show you the exact prompts I use, including the mistakes and fixes. So let's now move to the process.
So in this video, we are going to use ChatGPT to generate our images. So for this example, we are creating a premium minimalist coffee brand targeting young professionals. Let's type a basic prompt. First, example, create a modern logo for a premium coffee brand called Amber Roast. Sometimes ChatGPT will provide some information, options, or questions before generating the image. For now, I won't change anything or add any information. I will just ask ChatGPT to generate the image. Now, generating images took some time, so you need to be patient and wait for the result. So here's the result. This is what most people stop at, and this is why AI logos look generic. So how we will create a luxury logo using AI? First step is to improve our prompt. So let's use this improved prompt, and I will include it in the video description so you can easily copy it. As you may have noticed, we still included the important information such as the brand name, concept ideas, and the colors we would like to use, the premium luxury feel, and most importantly, the images we provided as design references. And we can also include the details like vector style, white background, or flat design. Vector style will help to avoid messy realism, white background will avoid GPT to generate a mock-up, and will focus on generating a logo. So here are the three logos that ChatGPT generated. They look luxurious and much better than the first generated image. This is because of the improved prompt, where we specially included important details about the logo we wanted, such as the color, style, and other information, especially the reference images. Having a better prompt will give you a better result. Out of these three, I would like to choose the one in the center because it looks simpler, but it's still luxurious. I will ask ChatGPT to provide me the file for the second design. You can also specify the size that you want, for example 8 by 8 inches at 300 dpi, and you can also include the file format such as requesting a PNG file with a transparent background. So for example this one, as you notice, the background is already transparent, so just click the file and then press save. So once you're satisfied with the logo, you can also ask ChatGPT to create brand mockups so you can see what it looks like in real use. Here are some of the mockups ChatGPT generated for this brand using the final logo. ChatGPT can generate a maximum of 4 images per day on a free account.
To learn more about e-commerce, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. And if you have any question, please leave us a comment. See ya!